Hello everyone, welcome to Math 11-4, subtract using models and place value. So today we're going to have another chance to practice what we learned yesterday. I can use models and place value to subtract. Let's start with our solve and share. Larissa has $353. She buys a pair of basketball shoes for $117. How much money does she have left over? All right, use or draw place value blocks to solve. So don't get tricked up just because you see the money sign. You're still subtracting the same way, you just have to add the money sign at the end. So I'm gonna do it the old school way first, and then I can cross-reference it with my drawing. All right, you cannot take 3 from 7, cross out the 3 and make it a 13. Since we borrowed from the 10s, that 5 gets crossed out and becomes a 4. And now we're ready to subtract. 13 minus 7 equals 6, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So it's going to be, Larissa's going to have $236 left. All right, let me erase this to get it out of the way. Now we're ready to draw. And also, I just wanted to mention, all of our assignments are now on Imagine Math, okay? I'm working on assigning you stuff from Pearson. I'm not sure if it's working yet, but it will be. So just use Imagine Math and still watch these videos. And 3 times a week, I'll have a check-in that you'll have to submit. Or if you're on Zoom, you can just do it with me then. Okay. Let's draw our place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. Always draw the bigger number first. That's called the whole. 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. Now we have to subtract 117. Take away 100, take away 110. We have to take away 7 ones, but there are not 7 ones there. So when that happens, you have to take a 10 and break it apart into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we simply count 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 ones. 236. All right, I am going to play the video, although I'm going to test it out. The sound hasn't been working, so if it doesn't work, I apologize, but you can still watch it. Hopefully it's going to work, but I don't know what's happening with that. If you can't hear it, I'll try to talk through it as well.
Find 328 minus 133. You can use a model and record partial differences to subtract.
Oh, they're going to use partial differences.
133 has 100. Subtract 100 from 300s.
Subtract 100 from 300.
There are 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones left. That's 228. 133 has 3 tens. There are 2 tens in 228 to take away. That leaves 208. There is 1 10 left to take away. Regroup 100 as 10 tens. Then take away 1 10. There is 100, 9 tens, and 8 ones, or 198 left. 133 has 3 ones. Subtract the 3 ones from 8 ones. What is the difference?
What is the difference?
Select your answer.
So 8 minus 3 is 5, right? And then the 9 and the 1.
So 328 minus 133 equals 195.
195. All right. So we'll see if this computer sound worked or not. Here we go. All right, so the objective didn't say anything about partial differences, and I wasn't prepared to do the partial differences. So I think we should continue with another day of practice from what we learned yesterday, because we really didn't get, you know, as much practice as I think we should have. So we're going to do it this way. So we're on number 2, 598 minus 319. All right, you cannot take 8 from 9. There's more on the floor, so we're going next door. The 8 becomes an 18. Whoops. The 8 becomes an 18. The 9 becomes an 8. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So we should get 279. Let's go ahead. We have to draw the biggest number. That's the whole. 5 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's not enough room. 8, 9, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're ready to subtract. Start here. 3 hundredths. 1, 2, 3. 110. That's crossed out. 9 ones. Well, we only have 8, so now we got to take a 10 away, right? And break it apart into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we're going to cross out those 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we count them up. 2 hundredths. Let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there you have it. 279. All right. If you have a pen and paper or pencil and paper, it would be really great if you did this with me, because you learn by doing, and you'll learn better by doing it with me or going ahead of me and then checking your work. Because you don't learn as much by just simply watching. That's why I just can't wait to get back in that classroom. All right, let's take a look at the second one. Again, I'm going to start this way. 794 minus 452. This is a nice, easy problem because we're not going to have to do any regrouping, because look, on the top, all the numbers are bigger than the numbers on the bottom. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So that's 342. And now we're going to draw it. Remember, you start with that first number. 7 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you do the 9 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we drew the number, and now we have to subtract 452. Take away 4 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away 5 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take away 2 ones. 1, 2. Count what's left. Count your hundredths. 1, 2, 3. Count your tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count your ones. 1, 2. Well, that was a nice, simple problem because there was no regrouping. All right, let's do another one. Erase, erase, erase. Erase, 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 erase. All right, here we go. 8 hundredths. What? Okay, I must have hit something. Okay, there we go. Now it's messy. Erase, 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 erase. 800. Okay. 871 minus 355. All right, we have to regroup. We cannot take 1 from 5. More on the floor, please go next door. The 1 becomes an 11. Since we borrowed, this becomes a 6. And we can leave the hundredths the same. Then subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So we will get 516. Now it's time to draw. Start with your biggest number. 800s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 1. Okay. Now we're ready to subtract. Take away 3 hundredths. 1, 2, 3. Take away 5 tens. 3, 4, 5. Take away 5 ones. Oh no, we can't. So we got to take a 10 and break it apart into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then we can cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we count what's left. Start with your hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then your tens is 1, and your ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you have it, 516. All right, boys and girls. So what we're going to do in Zoom tomorrow, we're going to be practicing this again. If you're not coming to Zoom, I want you to just practice these on a piece of paper. They don't have... Did I skip the independent? Okay. We just did the independent practice. Okay. Well, what I'd like you to do, anyhow, I know we just did these, but I want you to practice. Practice drawing them out, okay? The only way you're going to learn is if you practice, 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 right? All right, everyone. Bye for now. I'll see you up next for social studies. Talking about American symbols. Bye for now.